this amazing toner that is going to rejuvenate and super hydrate your skin. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I bring this amazing toner that is going to rejuvenate and super hydrate your skin. I love rose water because it's super hydrating. It also moisturizes skin, remove puffiness, and also help with irritation. So if you have irritated skin, rose water is really good for that. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the little button down below so you can get notification of every new video that we're gonna have. So we are having videos every week. Every week we're gonna be here sharing with you recipes and advice. Hazel is pretty good for people who have acne because it fights acne, reduces inflammation, and it also is antioxidant, so removing all those free radical damages to the skin from UV rays. So witch hazel has been all my life one of my favorites, especially like after you have done extraction on your skin. If you have pimples, if you have acne, blackhead, after you have done your extraction, using witch hazel to neutralize and to purify that area is pretty good to kill the bacteria. To this we're going to add also some aloe vera juice. It's wet from the refrigerator. Aloe vera juice, which is anti-inflammatory and support the production of collagen in the skin. It also helps to treat dry skin. So if you have dry skin, aloe vera juice is really good for that. And also aloe vera juice is anti-inflammatory. Once again, I always keep referring to acne skin, and it's because I do have acne. So and all those things, they actually help to fight acne, to fight new breakouts. You know, I'm always looking for the way to keep my acne, you know, under control in all manners. So all the skin products that I use, you know, mostly are targeting to acne prone skin, and it's because I do have acne. It doesn't show, of course, because I always keep using stuff to fight it, to minimize it, and to avoid any new breakouts. So aloe vera juice is great. It's anti-inflammatory. It treats acne because when you have acne, sometimes you have new sites that are very inflamed, and if you don't do anything to keep that inflammation under control, it only gets worse, leaving you with scars. They are really hard to get rid of. So it's better to prevent than to limit. Next ingredient is going to be some vegetable glycerin. I don't know if the label is readable. You can find these in any store. It's very easy to find vegetable glycerin. So vegetable glycerin is highly hydrating. One of the things that I do love about vegetable glycerin is that once you apply, you can apply this directly on the skin, just so you know. You can't just apply glycerin on your skin. It has to be diluted in something else. So, and what glycerin does is they attract moisture from your environment into your skin, making your skin highly hydrated and supple and just like that, like a baby skin with those little cheeks like that. So that's what glycerin does. It attracts moisture to your skin. So tea tree oil is one of my favorite because it helps you to fight acne. It's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Also, tea tree oil helps with dry skin. So if you have dry skin, it will hydrate your skin. And as well, if you have oily skin, tea tree oil will also help with that. Lavender essential oil because of its anti-aging property. So you don't have to buy expensive skincare product to have a little bit of anti-aging in it, okay? So let's use this amazing toner that I have made just for you guys. So I really been loving this toner. I already have cleansed my face and exfoliate. So if you haven't done so, please cleanse your face with a cleanser of your choice and exfoliate if it's your exfoliation day. I know you don't have to exfoliate every day, be sure to exfoliate at least once a week. So if today is the day that your skin exfoliation, just do so, and then we're gonna apply this toner. So I wrote the ingredients on my toner because I make a lot of DIY. So, and sometimes I don't even remember what I put in. I know, I love it, it's amazing, and then I'm like, oh my goodness, what did I put in this thing? And happened that I completely forgot all the stuff that I put in, because I usually put on more than one ingredients, but I usually put in so many different ingredients that I forget all the stuff that I put in. So as a good precaution of measure, label your DIY. Get a little label and write the recipe, right? Not the recipe, but just write the ingredients. You don't have to write the amount, but write the ingredients, so the things you put in. So in case you do have an allergic reaction, in case somebody ingested it accidentally, because these things usually go in the refrigerator, because of the aloe vera juice need to be refrigerated. I keep in mind my refrigerator. And other things that I do for my hair, for my skin, my face mask, I keep them in the refrigerator. So, so sometimes they'll be there for a week and I don't know what's in it. All I know is a mask, but what's in it? Or some things that I just make on the go, you know. So please label your DIY to put in the refrigerator, especially if you have little children who like to put stuff in their mouth, and especially if you have so many DIY and you forgot what's in there, okay? And another thing that I'm probably gonna put today is the date. Put the date you made it, so when you look at it, you'll know if it's still good to use, if it's bad. Put an expiration date of 2 weeks. That I haven't done it yet, but that's exactly what I'm going to do, because it's to put an expiration date. And why do we do this? Put an expiration date on our DIY. Most face masks and toner and DIY that can get bad in the refrigerator usually have an expiration date of 2 weeks. Usually they'll be good for 2 weeks. So put an expiration date of 2 weeks from today to 2 weeks. That way you wouldn't be applying stuff and they probably have germ in it, they have grown, they have bacteria, they have grown over this last 2 weeks. You know, you probably don't want to do that. So expiration date is a must have. I'm gonna start practicing that, and you should too. So let's go with your toner. I really love this toner. I've been using it for quite some time, and I cannot get enough. One of the things that I do when I have toners like that, I usually use it also as a refreshing during the day. When I feel like my skin is feeling dry, I'm gonna follow my skincare routine with this vitamin C. It's hydraulic acid facial serum with vitamin C in it. I love this stuff. So let's shake it. When I'm not using my DIY, which I also have a vitamin C serum that I make myself. One squirt here. I'm gonna squirt over there. I like to pat. Another thing is our consideration. I usually see a lot of YouTubers and people in general touching their skin with a little tube, with a little dropper. You're not supposed to touch the skin with a dropper. You're supposed to just drop it, and your skin. Do not touch your skin with the dropper and then put the dropper back in the bottle. What happened with this is that the bacteria that is in your face go in the bottle, and then when it's in the bottle, it grows. You know, it's like having a petri dish. So you're gonna have the bottle full of bacteria, and instead of doing good to your face, you're going to be doing nothing good. It's gonna be the worst. I mean, not the worst, it's just gonna be bad. You're gonna have a bottle, you're gonna have a petri dish on your bottle full of bacteria, and those bacteria is gonna go back into your face and back into the bottle, and back into the face, and back into the bottle. So it's kind of gross now that I think about it. So make sure that you do not. And also cover your neck, you know? When you do stuff for your face, do it for your neck. Don't be cheap. And that's another reason I love DIY, because I can be generous. I can spread the stuff everywhere all day. Okay, I do like to put it in my eyes too. I think I put too much. Okay, make sure that it's absorbed in the skin before you add the next product. With this moisturizer. There you go. So I got this at Trader Joe's. I use a lot. What I like to do is just put it in my hand very generously. Then I rub it in my hands and then pat. I do like to put my moisturizer all over my neck, including the back. And if I have a smaller, be generous with moisturizer, especially if you have, and then the rest go in the hands. There you go. Now keep those hands smooth and nice, because the first sign of aging shows in your hands. So if you have all hands, all wrinkly hands, so I like to put the rest of my hands to keep. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed, maybe this is a good time for you to subscribe if you like what you've seen so far. So every week we have new videos, so please click on the bell so you can get notification of every video we release every week. Also, leave your comments down below. Let me see how this worked for you, if you try, if you didn't. If there's anything special that you would like to see in this channel, I'll be very glad to make the video just for you. So thank you for watching again. I appreciate you watching this video all the way to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.